Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I will present about our group discussion is group 5. So let me introduce my member first. The first member is Muhammad Habib Edison, 19-10-93-2020, and my name is Ahmad Aufa, 19-10-93-2021. And the last member is Muhammad Ramzi, 19-10-93-2022. So our topic today is job or worksite analysis. So job worksite analysis is one of the problem-solving tools who can manage a work activity at everywhere to do the work. So first is the purpose of the tool. Combination of systematic action to provide you with the information you need to recognize and understand the hazard and potential hazard of your workplace. So the tool purpose is you can manage the action, who right action, who make minimize or understand the hazard or the potential hazard your workplace, so no one can get the injury and the employee had a good uh, good vibe where they working. So when the tool appropriate to use, so this tool can we use with each time there is change of facilities, equipment, processes, or materials in a workplace. They should be analyzed for hazard before they are introduced. So here we have some new equipment or process we will do in our workplace, so that we must uh, uh, description about what is the hazard uh, possibility when we do when we use or when we do the process of the equipment. A daily auditing segment of the survey should be assessed for continuous improvement. So we will make the equipment or process will be more effectively. How to use it? First, we need to identify comprehensive hazard identification. So here, example, we have the problem is this process will have injury of burn skin, because maybe this process uh, we include the fire. So we do not want our employee is have a burn skin. So we must have a solution. What is to what we to do? What we gonna do to avoid that hazard? The secondly is comprehensive hazard survey. So like that, we survey all the hazard will possible on our workplace. Three, hazard analysis of change in the workplace. So the hazard analysis to make a workplace our safety again and comfortable by the employee. Routine hazard analysis or job safety analysis. So we will not find in the one time the hazard from the workplace. So we need the routine continuously every day to check if the tool is completely okay or not. The five is regularly site safety and health inspection. The six, employee reports of hazard. So this is important. We are the employee, don't don't hide anything of hazard will possible. We have to report to our manager or our supervisor about the hazard uh, we got. The seven is accident or incident investigation. So if we have some problem like electricity or uh, some machine didn't work well, so we will do investigation. Then the last is injury and illness trend analysis. Example, our employee uh, didn't work well. What is the problem? If it, sometimes he can smell the sting of powder or anything. And this case study what we gonna display to you. So this is the job board or site to glass magnifier plan. In the date we have that, and description hot end of glass production. So we know that glass production we need the heat to make material to be liquid and uh, easily to cast, to make a shape of the material. So the tax factor is what happened, how do parts flow in out. So we need the so we have a answer if this factor is picking up from conveyor to two press machine and then back to conveyor. So we will do the repetition from the one conveyor. So we need a conveyor to from two machine, two press machine. So the second text factor is what kinds of motion are involved. We need the answer is extension and flexion of arm and turning. So we need a comfortable of um, our employee motion, so that we must do analysis about that. And the three are the any jigs or fixtures or automation. Yes, press machine and conveyor are automated. So we need the conveyor to press, and they will work automatically. And the four, are any tools being used? No, they are not. So this is referred to tool evaluation checklist. Is the workforce laid out well? Animal reach is it is laid out well, have to turn and have to walk within a 5-inch area. Are they awkward finger or wrist motion? How frequent? There are none. So this mean of awkward finger or wrist motion, motion didn't make employee uncomfortable. And is there any lifting? Yes, the worker lift the glass fixtures. So the employee will lift the glass. So we need to analyze a noise lifting analysis and UM2D model. Is the worker fatigued or physical workload? No, does not appear to be. Is there any decision-making mental work is making decision-making or mental workload? No. The worker follows a consistent and repeated routine. And the last, how long is each cycle? What is the standard time? Each cycle is about 38 seconds long. So the repetition is need to 38 seconds long to each conveyor. Times this we refer to time study and MTM2 checklist. Sorry. And we need the survey to work environment factors, work environment checklist. Two, is the illumination acceptable? Is there glare? Yes, it is acceptable, and there not to seem to be any glare. Okay, is the noise level acceptable? Moderate noise level beside when alarm goes off. So the noises of the glass manufacturing is less than alarm goes off. It means not to be noisy, not noisy as well. Is there heat stress? Some probably do. The melting of glass, and because the worker is wearing long sleeve pants and gloves. It means because we work on the glass manufacturing, we will it's about the heat. So we will feel sweat. The employee will be sweat because him work with wearing long sleeve pants and gloves. It makes the employee not comfortable. And the last is their vibration. It is unlikely that there is any vibration. And the administrative factors are the wage incentive. There not does not appear to be any. And is there job rotation? Job management? No, they are known. And the third is training or work hardening profile, minimal training needed. And the last, what are the overall management policy? Not to be attendance. So this case or this job or work site analysis, we got the data where we include that there are no many problem cause tax factor because workers have done the rules and direction well. However, what is worrying about is that tree still is supposedly had stress. Some probably do the melting of the glass and because the worker is wearing long sleeve pants and gloves. So the heat stress is make employee not not comfort, so that because and then the worker or the employee feel the sweaty, and the possibility of the stress caused based by the are no job enlargement or rotation. So we eventually we need the rotation on the job, so we not the employee not do the monotone activity. It may cause stress like that. So that is our presentation about the job and worksite analysis. Sorry for the misunderstanding words I use. I can't I cannot do English not do English fluent as well. I'm sorry for that mistake. And our group say thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.